Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and coming with running boards down below. It does also have the black appearance package, so many things that would be chrome are blacked out. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back seat, we have seating for three comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your storage compartments underneath. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrest, which might take a bit of force, with two cup holders, and you have a manually sliding rear window. And down here in the middle, where you have a 110-volt power outlet and two USBs, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking inside, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You also have power folding mirrors and a partially power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. Oh wow, turn that down. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with adaptive cruise control or distance pacing technology, and then you also have the controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy. Then you can also go into your fuel economy separately. Truck info such as power distribution, and driver assistance features such as blind spot detection and cross traffic. You also have settings for your screen and some other features are in your vehicle. But then moving on your signal stock at the end, you have your lane keeping system. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. Your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features are in your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. And moving down from your screen, you have your hazards, and then your media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. You also have two 12-volt power outlets down here and two USBs, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. And then you have things such as your auto start stop shut off, your tow haul mode, your park assist sensor shut off, your traction control shut off, and then you have your 4x4 selector here and your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. And you have your parking brake, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.